Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the filter unit or the filter on a Festool Cleantec vacuum cleaner. It is a nice device for work on some tools with some Festool tools, and to open the top side of your vacuum cleaner, you have to unlock first the right and the left side locks. Then you can lift up the upper part of your vacuum cleaner, and you have two pieces now. One piece with a bag, with a dust bag, and one with a filter unit and the electronic component. Yeah! Now let's head up to the other side. The other side is the HEPA filter. The filter is to filter the air which is coming out of your device after the dust sticks inside the dust bag. Here is the filter hub. You can remove it, then you can extract the filter itself, and you can throw him away because you have to replace this filter once a year. This is enough. Or you can use now high pressure air and blow the dust out of the filter, and then you can recycle it a little bit longer. For install the new filter, you have to rotate the filter upside down, push it in position, and take care you have to push the edges, the rubber edges, so that it is flat with the body itself. Now we can dock it back in position on your Festool vacuum cleaner. There is on the bottom side of the upper side is there is a mechanism to get it here. You can see how it works. It does only works in one direction. Good job. Replaced. Oh, succeed. So now we have to install or assemble the two parts again. Have a look that the dust bag is open. This cover has to be open to get the dust inside by using the vacuum cleaner. Okay, here we are. Everything is ready to install. Then we can start the install process. Take care that you install it at the right direction. Here we are. Yeah, docked. Now lock the side locks, right and left, and we're finished. Good job. Yeah, and now this vacuum cleaner is ready to go and have new adventures with you on the walking area, on the workplace. Awesome, isn't it? This is a nice device. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.